My name's Jason Weicker. I run Friars Tire Center in LaGrange, Georgia. To me, it's about taking care of the customers, treat them all as family, make sure we take care of their needs, and it's a privilege to be able to, help people in the community and stuff like that. Our customers come back because we give them a great product. We take care of them if they ever have any problems. We listen to their needs and provide services that they need for their vehicles and stuff. We get a lot of people from in town. We've got several high schools and stuff that are around here that, we do a little stuff with, and we do have a lot of people that do come from out of town, and we try to take care of their needs and stuff, and just to have a good all-around shop. We're very honest. We're upfront with people. Want to make people feel at home. It's still a family-owned and run place, and we want to keep people when they come in to feel like they're, family and take care of them. Everybody gets along. That's what we're here for, and we take care of one another. If somebody has a problem, somebody steps up and helps with that problem and helps them get it solved.
I am Brent Kitchens. I currently work at Friars Tire Center in LaGrange, Georgia, and I've been here for a little over 2 years. This is my hometown. I love it. There's a lot of familiar faces, a lot of trust comes from the community when they know people, and I'm a very sociable person, and I know a lot of people, a lot of friends, familiar faces come in here, and it's a very fun business. Friars Tire Center is one of the older, smaller shops, and it's more of a down-to-earth, person-to-person thing. Same people have been here for 20 and 30 years. We have a couple of new faces, but most of them are from here. And when it comes to a small town, everybody likes the people they know. And it's a very heavy business with returning customers, and we've had customers that have been coming here through the different owners in the past 40 to 50 years and provide the same service that we did back then that we do now. We don't fix anything that ain't broke. We've never sold anybody anything they didn't need, and then we never let anybody go without doing something that they do need. It's a basic thing. If it's broke, we're gonna fix it, and if we don't get to fix it, if times are tough or if it's a hard part to come across, then we'll do the best we can to make it as safe as we can.